Hello, today we will guide you through how to record refunds in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to issue a refund to a customer and make sure it's recorded to the right account, with all the details your books need. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. From your dashboard, move your mouse to the Create button at the top left. This is where you'll find the forms used to record money moving in and out of your business. From the menu that appears, choose Refund Receipt. This form is designed specifically for giving money back to a customer for a product or service you previously sold. At the top of the refund receipt, select the customer you're refunding. Pick the same customer tied to the original sale so QuickBooks can connect the refund to their history. Next, confirm the refund date so it reflects when the money was actually returned. Using the correct date keeps your financial reports accurate for the right period. Now choose Refund From. This is the account the money is coming out of, such as your checking account or another cash account. Select the account that matches how you issued the refund in real life. Picking the right account ensures the refund will show correctly when you reconcile your bank later. Select the payment method. In this example, choose check. Match this to the way you refunded the customer. If you refunded by check, choose check. If by card or cash, choose the corresponding option. Consistency helps your records stay clean and easy to trace. Move down to the product service section. Add the same item or service the customer returned or was credited for. Enter the quantity and rate that match what you're refunding. If the original sale included sales tax, QuickBooks will usually calculate the tax reversal automatically. Still, glance at the tax line to confirm it matches the original transaction. You can use the description or memo field to note details like a return authorization or the original invoice number. Clear notes help anyone reviewing the books understand why the refund was issued. When everything looks correct, customer, date, refund from account, payment method, and product or service details, click Save as New. This records the refund and opens a fresh form so you can continue if you have more refunds to process. If you only have one refund today, you can simply close the form after saving. That's it. You've recorded a refund in QuickBooks Online in a way that keeps your accounts, customer records, and future bank reconciliations aligned.